Okay, I've got a new Raptor Hustler 52-inch. It's not new as in this year, but this thing is brand new, as in it's never been used. Maybe twice. Probably has 20 hours on it or something like that. Literally, that is the only wear on the mower. Those scrapes right there. The rest of it is just like the showroom floor. Operates like that too. Thing is spotless. Does not have an hour meter on it, so I could show you that it's got 20 hours, but anybody can look at this thing and see it's never been used. I'll fire it up for you. It's got a Kawasaki 23 horsepower motor. Got good ground speed, great blade tip speed, deck height adjustments right here. Blades. Deck's super smooth. See if I can't mow a little bit and show it to you. My grass is already a little bit short right now. Like new mower right here. I'll idle it down for you. Motor purrs like a kitten.